now next concept we are going to learn, that is properties of multiplication and division. Do you remember we had learned earlier properties of addition and subtraction? Now today we will learn properties of multiplication and division. In that, properties of multiplication we will learn first. Now in property of multiplication, what is the first property? First property of multiplication is product of any number and 1 is that number itself. Okay, for example, if A is a number, A is any number, then A multiplied by 1 is equal to the number itself, that is A. Or you can say if 2 is multiplied by 1, what answer we will get? The same number, 2 only. This is the first property of multiplication. If we will multiply any number by 1, then we will get the answer as the same number. Next, property 2. The product of two numbers is the same even if the order of the numbers is changed. Though we now suppose 2 multiplied by 3, we get the answer 2 3s are 6. And if I reverse the order, if I take 3 first and if I do 3 into 2, if I interchange the places, the order, then the product remains same. This is the second property. That is, suppose A and B are any two numbers, then A into B is equal to B into A. This is the second property. Property 3. Third property is the product of a number and 0 is 0. That means if we multiply any number with 0, the answer we get is 0 only. Suppose A is any number, then A into 0 is 0. Or if you are multiplying 0 by any number, then also we will get answer as 0. This is the third property. Okay? Means suppose 6 multiplied by 0, answer is 0. Or 0 multiplied by 8, answer will be 0. This is the third property. Now fourth property. The product of three numbers is the same even if the grouping of the multiplying numbers is changed. Now suppose three numbers are there and if we take their product, we will get some answer. For example, 2 into 3 into 4. 2 3s are 6 and 6 4s are 24. Okay, like that three numbers are there and if we take product. After that, if we will make the group, now suppose here see, A into B, one group. If we multiply by C, whatever answer we will get, after grouping it in other way also we will get the same answer, that is A into B into C, that one group we will do. Okay? So answer remains same. I will show one example. See here, suppose 2 into 3, okay, into 4 is equal to this. I took the numbers. Now see, 2 into 3 is 6. 6 4s are 24. Okay, here we will get the answer 24. Now here see, 2 into 4 3s are 12 and 12 2s are 24 only. That means if three numbers are there and if we are taking product of it, after changing their groups also we get the same answer. That is the property 4. Okay, understand? Students, now we will learn properties of division. In that first property, if a number is divided by itself, the answer is always 1. That is, suppose if A is number, A is any number, then A divided by A will give answer as 1. 6 divided by 6, answer will be 1. 30 divided by 30, answer will be 1. That means if any number is divided by itself, we will get the answer 1. Now what the second property? If a number is divided by 1, the answer is the number itself. Suppose if any number is divided by 1, we get the answer as the number itself. For example, 6 divided by 1, answer will be 6. So here, if a is any number, then a divided by 1, we will get answer as the same number, that is a. So this is the second property. Now third property, see here, if 0 is divided by a number other than 0, the answer is always 0. If we divide 0 by any other non-zero number, for example 0 divided by 6 or 0 divided by 90, answer will be 0. That is 0 divided by a is equal to 0. Now the fourth property, if it is not possible to divide a number by 0. It is not at all possible to divide any number by 0. Okay? We cannot divide any number by 0. 0 we can divide by any number. There we get answer 0. But any number we cannot divide by 0. Okay? This is the fourth property of division. Now property fifth. A division fact gives a multiplication fact. Now what is the meaning of this? A division fact gives a multiplication fact. See here, if a, b and c are any three numbers, then if a is divisible by b is equal to gives answer c, then a is equal to b multiplied by c. A division fact gives a multiplication fact. This is the fifth property of division. Followed? Now students, we will solve practice 3.10. This practice is based on just now whatever we learned properties of division and multiplication on that. Okay. Now see here, fill in the blanks. Suppose this is one number is multiplied by any number is equal to answer gives the same number. So what should be here? When we multiply a number by 1, we get the number itself, no? So here what answer should be there according to the property? Yes, here 1. It should be there. Correct? Now, next here. This is a number multiplied by this number is equal to. Now here just orders are reversed according to the second property. See here. Now here first number is at the second. Then which number will be at the first place? Second number, this, according to the property. Correct? Now here see question number 3. Question number 3. See here. Here we don't know what number. Into this is equal to 101012 into this number. This number is 1,01,012 and here see 8,12,645. Okay, this number. So here one number is there, this number. So this at first position which number will be there? The positions are reversed of the number. So this number will be here. Okay, the answer is this number. 8,12,645. Understood this? A into B is equal to B into A. This is the property. Now see here. This number is multiplied by 0. When any number is multiplied by 0, it gives the answer 0. Okay. Now next question number 5. Do you remember the property A into B into C is equal to A into in bracket B into C. Same here. Here suppose this is C. Okay. Then here what it will be? A into B into C. Correct? So C is given. Now these two numbers will be here. Got it? So 2176045. Based on the properties only we have to solve this practice. Okay. This is the answer of 5th one. Now 6th one, see. Same, the number is divisible by itself. 6 divided by 6 gives answer 1. Same way, here also this number is divisible by itself. So the answer will be 1. Now, here we don't know what number is there. Divided by this number, we get answer 1. That means, here which number will be there? The number itself, this number only. Got it? See here. If we are dividing the number by the number itself, we get the answer 1. Now, here see. Same answer is here. That means, this number is divisible by 1. When we divide any number by 1, we get the answer as the number itself. Now next, 0 divided by this number. 0 we can divide by any number, but the answer we get as 0 only according to the property. Okay. Now, see here. This number divided by 15 is equal to, answer gives it this. Do you remember the last property of division? The division fact gives multiplication fact. That is, if A divided by B is equal to C, then A is equal to B into C. Suppose this answer is A divided by B, answer we got C. Then, what is the fifth last property? Then, see here. A is equal to B into C or C into B, anything you can do. B into C. This is the answer. Followed? Whole this practice is based on the properties of multiplication and division. Okay?